Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jason Hopkins, here to provide you with a few helpful tips to create some cash flow for yourselves. For those that are looking for a way to make some money, you have to be clear of your vision before you take that next step. Let me remind you that it's going to require much studying and developing skill sets. So in order for you to earn, you must be willing, you must be able to learn. When it comes to, money and debt, you know, our decisions are always, based on emotion, right? So that, desperation and joy and excitement, is something we all feel, once, we see all this money and, we see people, in these videos with stacks of cash and, they sitting in nice cars. We get turned on by those things, and we visualize ourselves with, the abundance of money, buying all the things that we could never afford to buy when we didn't have money, you know, and we're not, we're not laser focused on learning how to create and generate wealth. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you, people that you're seeing making all this money, driving all these nice cars, they're investing all their time, and they're sacrificing their time, meaning they're giving up that, giving up their entertainment, they're giving up, just buying, nice clothes, and, they're doing whatever it takes to get to that next level. They're spending all their time either, in a library, or they're at home and they're studying. They study how to create wealth. They also, hired, coaches, to teach them, ways to, create wealth. You know, so you must, you have to make that sacrifice. Invest time, in getting an education. Be clear, of what it is that you want. You know, you can't, you can't have the things that you want when you invest all your time, in a pair of Jordans. Education and knowledge of financial freedom is key, people. Can't stress that enough. Take the time, that you would spend on, fashion, invest that money in books and hire a coach. You know, in order to, achieve greatness, you must get that mind laser focused on your vision. Stop, being emotionally attached to money. Stop worrying about money. The people that, that you see flashing cash, they may not be telling you, or they're not telling you what you must know. And, they should be, if you're, really serious about, wanting to make money fast. If you're not focused on, learning, and all your attention is just solely on the money, you're going to have a hard time achieving financial success, because, you're letting your feelings get in the way. Think about it. Well, that's all the time I have right now. So I want to thank everyone for watching this video. And if you're watching this on my YouTube channel and you're serious about, learning how to, create wealth, what I did was I left some information in the description box below this video. And if you're watching on Facebook and you would like, the information, comment the number 1 in the comment box. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins. I'll talk to you soon.